Hey friends, get ready to explore the world of AI with our daily Desi style updates. Here's the scoop in 60 seconds. 1. What's a prompt? It's the key to making AI dance to your tune, be it a question, statement, or command. 2. Effective prompts? They're crystal clear, making our responses as sharp as a Bollywood move. 3. Prompt Engineering 101, hands-on awesomeness summarizing, inferring, transforming, and creating custom chatbots. 4. Meet the rock stars, prompt engineers. They send plain text commands to AI systems, making magic happen. 5. Beyond drama, prompt engineering is the real deal, shaking up industries like entertainment, finance, law, medicine, and education. It's the future, Desi style. Stay curious about prompt engineering and the latest AI tamasha. Hit that subscribe button and be part of the AI Jingalala revolution.